Have you guys heard of the YouTuber Jennelle? She actually acquired 1.3 million subscribers in 2 videos in 3 weeks. Is that even possible? To actually get 1.3 million subscribers in 3 weeks with 2 videos? I mean, that's just crazy. So, I did some research on this YouTuber. They have a Instagram account. They have like 240,000 subscribers. So let's say you upload a video, you told your Instagram subscribers, hey, come check out my video, please subscribe. Even if every single one of them subscribed, is it possible to go from 240,000 subscribers on an Instagram to 1.3 million with 2 videos on YouTube? Now, a lot of people are saying this person is a YouTube plant. And I thought that was interesting because they're saying that YouTube is having people subscribe to this person that didn't subscribe to him. And I thought that was kind of interesting. And it was even posted on the YouTube Twitter that people were saying this. And I really hope it's not true because that would be pretty sad. But some of the tests I did, I was sitting there and I'd hit refresh on the videos. And the newest video, she's now got 3 videos. And the newest video, when I hit refresh, it went up 83,000 views on one video in 1 hour. So I hit refresh, I watched the views go up 83,000 on that one video. The other 2 videos, the views did not change at all. And I just kind of shook my head. I mean, if you're acquiring new people and new subscribers, would they not be watching those other 2 videos too? So that didn't jar up at all. When you watch the videos, she's trying to be sexy. She points out she's single. Even puts little keynotes in the video. Hey, I'm single. Did I tell you guys I was single? The video editing's pretty good. Photos on Instagram are okay. I mean, a person could even reach out and say it looks like it was, you know, the photos were taken by a professional because the person then had gotten down on one knee and went up. I do photography as a hobby, but I thought that was quite interesting. The video editing, some of it, it's almost like they tried to make mistakes because they didn't want to make it look too polished when I was watching it. You know, they kind of zoom in real quick and set their keyframes properly, and I was like, something just ain't jiving here. I mean, the first thing a person's going to do is, as soon as you hear about a person getting 1.3 million subscribers with 2 videos, you're automatically thinking instantly that, well, this is bogus, this can't be true. And like I said, a lot of people are saying it's a YouTube plant, and that simply means that this particular person signed a contract with YouTube. YouTube has planted this person, inflated their subs, inflated their views, and just put them on the market and on the map, and they're basically paying this person. It's an actor. Now, at the same time, if this is true and it's a YouTube plant, then, you know, they're asking for money. Here's my donation link, all this type of thing. When you go take a look at SocialBlade and you pay attention to it, they're going to make buku bucks off AdSense. But let me read you some of the things some of the people are saying on YouTube's Twitter account, you know, that really send up some red flags with this person. While it takes months to get monetized by everybody else on YouTube, she got it in less than 3 weeks. People who exposed this channel got flagged, videos taken down. Let's not forget the bot comments, where they were leaving duplicate comments there, and it's also a coincidence that YouTube directly promoted her on Twitter. So YouTube promoted her on Twitter. And that's why they're saying she's a YouTube plant. The bot comments. That I have to agree with. I went and looked very diligently at the comments, and I see a lot of comments from that were duplicated constantly throughout. I had to scroll down. I went, okay, that's a dupe, that's a dupe, that's a dupe. And I was like, they got a bot actually duplicating comments. It's not even real people writing them. You know. Now, here's a couple of points I'd noticed. She had said in one of her videos that she works for an awesome company and she can take time off anytime she wants, and she built her van in the company's parking lot at night, and no problem. It's the best company in the world to work for at a data entry place. I got problems with that. I really do. I mean, I'm 56 years old. I've worked for people in my life. And I don't know any boss that would let me work on my vehicle in front of their business in their parking lot, especially a van build. I mean, we're not talking, 1 hour change the oil type of thing. We're talking a complete build. That doesn't sound right. And then it's like, well, I can take time off anytime I want. I can work for 6 months and then take off and travel a little bit. Well, that's a pretty good job. I love how this company can live without her. I own my own business, and when you have certain people that work for you, you need them there. You can't just say, yeah, don't worry about it. My clients, they'll wait 6 months for you to go travel. When you get back, I'll let them know. We'll be good. What? Are you kidding me? That just didn't make sense to me at all. And a lot of people are saying how it got monetized within a few weeks. Now, there is a thing called a Python script. And people buy subs and views and comments. You can search Google and you can buy them all you want. For something like this, to put that many subs and stuff on a channel, that would be pretty expensive. And if YouTube finds you doing it, you'll basically delete your channel. But when somebody turned around and said YouTube promoted this channel, well, now it doesn't look like somebody from a different country inflated this channel. It looks like YouTube planted this channel. Now, maybe by me even saying this information, this video might end up getting deleted. I don't know. But if you search her name on YouTube, you will end up finding lots of videos of people talking about there's something wrong here. Now, we have to consider here, if she turned around, if YouTube has made this a YouTube plant, as they're saying, and all this has been inflated by YouTube. I mean, there are multiple people in YouTube's Twitter saying, why is this person subscribed to me? I never subscribed to them. And I mean, not one person, hundreds. There's a lot of them. So what? Is this some YouTube experiment? Is YouTube trying to see what happens if we inflate 1 million subs and add the views, what it actually does to YouTube? Are they testing their artificial intelligence to find out what's going on? It's funny, with all the people uploading videos on YouTube, I mean, we are talking millions of people from many different countries, that people actually catch this stuff. That goes to show you how close people are watching YouTube. But let's say for a moment that this is legit. Let's say, Jennelle, none of this was inflated by YouTube and literally just got lucky. She won the lottery. Well, she's got to be the luckiest girl in the world. I mean, she built this van herself weighing 100 pounds. Didn't sound like she knew how to use any tools. And she built it in a parking lot. She could barely pick up 5 pounds of water because she only weighs 100 pounds soaking wet. So, and the other thing I caught on to was she said she's been traveling in this van, living in it for a couple years. Van didn't look too dirty to me. Everything looked clean. I was amazed. If this is not a YouTube plant, if this is not somebody manipulating the numbers, I find it very hard to believe. I want to know your views. I'm going to, I'll put a link. Go check it out. And come on back and tell me in the comment section what you think. Is this a legit van dweller? Do you think it's a YouTube plant? Or do you think something's going on? Now, when you go to SocialBlade, if you search her name, you'll see like 15 accounts come down with her name. And if you go look at those accounts, they're her videos. It looks like other people have gone and created a dummy account, downloaded her videos, put them on those dummy accounts, and they're sitting there waiting. Well, if she blew up, to 1.3 million subs in 2 months, if I put these videos over here, the same thing should happen, shouldn't it? But it's not happening. They've got 40 subscribers, maybe 20 subscribers. These videos are not blowing up. So the question keeps coming down the pipe. Why are her videos 1.3 million subscribers within 3 weeks with 2 videos and she's only got 3? Inquiring minds want to know. And nobody knows what's going on. Even when people apparently made videos on this, they got striked. But I don't know. I've been on YouTube quite a few years, and it just, something looks fishy here. This doesn't look like it is. When she made her 3rd video, she thanked all her subscribers. And I was just like, wow. It really, really amazes me. So like I said, guys, I'll put the links in the bottom. Go check her other channel. Come on back and tell me what you guys think. I did a little bit of research. I spent maybe 30 minutes looking around. I was like, it's not somebody I would sub to. It seemed like she was trying to tailor. I don't know if it was her. It's like she's an actress. Because why would a pretty young girl put up in her video, by the way, I'm single? I just can't see a girl doing that. Not a girl that has any form of class. I just can't see that. That's something a man would put up there. By the way, I'm single. Some man that's editing the videos. That's trying to push some narrative here on sex appeal. No. I'm just not getting it. I'm just not. I want to know what you guys think. Go check out her videos. Give me a comment. And tell me if you think Jennelle is a YouTube plant, or do you think Jennelle was, somebody's messing with the YouTube algorithm here? They're using a Python script to add views, comments, subs. Or do you think it's legit? Can a person actually make one video, boom, get 1 million subscribers, and that's it? Become a millionaire overnight on YouTube with AdSense? I don't know. Let me know. I'll catch you guys on the next one.